everyone, and welcome to Gierok Farms. In today's video, we are going to be moving some feed around. It is a beautiful winter day today. It is like 40 degrees out here, sun is shining, and we got a really nice pair here. We got the 686 tractor pulling our red dump wagon here. A little bit of red on red action, looking pretty sweet. So we got to move some feed for our heifer barns and our dry cow barns. And then we also have to stockpile some feed in the dump wagon for tonight and the next couple days in the dairy barn. So hope you guys enjoy the video. To start off here, we're gonna get the 686 down by our big silage pile where Dad is opening up right now with the skid steer. But we're gonna get some feed moved in. And then I'd also like to bring you guys along with, we gotta give you guys a little update on the cattle. Let's get to work. Isn't that just a great combination? That 686 looks great. I'm gonna head up to the barns here and kind of clean up what's left. So that way when he gets that filled, he can just bring it straight up here, and hopefully he's not waiting on that. Then we can just dump and go get the second load right away. Now that we have the heifer and dry cow barn done, we're gonna move over to our young stock, our calf barn. I can hear some of them whining in there. Let's get them some fresh new silage. So we have most of the silage spread out in here, divvied up. Now we gotta let these girls in over here. Dad let these heifers outside to get a little sunbathing in, being it was such a beautiful, beautiful winter day today. It feels like spring. Come on girls, you want your silage? Come on. Come on, girls, come on. Come on, yep. Yep, come on. That is always great to see heifers like that, or any cattle or livestock running back into their living area. It lets us know that we're doing a good enough job making them happy to where they're okay to come back in here. Of course, they knew that they were going to get a treat here if they came back in, but it's nice to know, even if it wasn't silage day, that after we let them out for recess like that, they still like being in the living area that we're providing for them. That's a great feeling as farmers and anyone with livestock. That's a really great feeling. So everybody's happy, no more complaints. Oh, there's somebody in the back complaining. We better go check on him. Spoke a little too soon. Y'all may have seen these two in other videos. They're doing really well. I'm surprised this guy's even up looking for milk. Just a second ago he was sleeping, but he must have got all riled up with all this commotion. Don't worry, dinner time's gonna come soon enough. It's good to see that they're both healthy and doing well and drinking, especially with this weird weather we've been having. And then as for some updates on some other cattle, here are the two brown Swiss twins. They're both doing really, really well. I guess you could say they maybe are in the preschool, late toddler stage, is what I would say. Paired up with other peers from the same age group, and they're doing well. This one's definitely the bigger of the two, this number 599. Number 600, she's definitely the smaller of the two twins, but they're still doing really good, especially for brown Swiss. Having them with their mother for such a long time like we did, having them nurse for a longer time than normal, really gave those two a head start on their peers. And hopefully we see some results later on in life once they get to breeding age and are milking, especially being their twins. Hopefully it's nothing but good things, being that we left them with their mother for a long period of time nursing. Definitely cannot complain there. Super happy with how they're doing. I'd like to let you guys know mid-video here, go check us out at gierokfarms.com. We have our own website with multiple colors of these hats that you've seen us wearing in the video. So go check us out if you want to get yourself a hat. Oh, look who just got home. This is the car that Darby and I ended up having to take the World Dairy Expo. Mason was able to borrow it to us, and you just had a bunch of work done on this car, right, Mason?
Yeah, I got too much money into it already.
Yeah, but if you're going to keep it for a long time, it's maybe good that you put some work and effort into it.
It's the plan. Keep it till it dies, I guess.
Yeah.
Already got 260 on her, but hopefully she makes her to 500,000.
And for those of you that don't know your cars, this is a little Volkswagen TDI, so that's got the little diesel in it. So 260 for a gas car, that might seem like a lot, but for a diesel, it's still got some life left in it, that's for sure.
Yeah, we just put a new cam in it and sealed everything back up. Got her tuned. She's pretty mean now with the new cam in it. I wouldn't doubt if it easily makes it over 500,000. That's the goal.
It's definitely got some pep in its step now, and by no means is it a smoke tune or anything on it like that, but it's got noticeably more power than before you had some work done. And then you just had an electrical problem, but you solved that, huh? It must have been a bad cable somewhere or something.
Yeah, a few weeks of figuring out what was wrong. I got stuck about an hour away from home. Nothing happened at the trailer home, sadly. It was a sad day.
Yeah.
But Christmas morning, I finally figured out what was wrong with it. A couple weeks went by. With electrical problems, it could be a million different things. Bad relay, bad ignition, bad fuse somewhere, but it turned out just to be a ground, thank God. Put a new ground in it, an extra ground in it actually too, cleaned everything up pretty well.
That was a Christmas miracle.
Yeah.
And it makes sense, being there was all that work done, that the ground may have gotten messed up, but at least it was something simple like that, not an ECM or anything crazy like that. So those of you that have TDIs, let us know down in the comments what type of maintenance or life-changing things you could do to the car to prolong its life and make it an even better car. That's a little update on Mason's life. I think he's gonna wash it now, right?
Oh yeah.
Dad just must have finished loading the dump trailer, so I'm gonna head down there quick and grab that and bring it up here by the barn. Right now he's over in front of the bull barn, heifer barn, pushing that feed around, making it nice and even for them girls instead of just being on 3 big piles or 4 big piles. And there you go, we are done moving silage for the afternoon. That was really good. Everything went really smooth. It was nice to update you guys on a couple different things, and it's great to be working in some beautiful weather like this. It's a very odd December so far, and it's actually almost January. It is just insane. I don't know what's going on this year, but let us know in the comments what the weather's looking like in your areas. Also, let us know if there's anything special you'd want to see this winter from us. Leave comments like that down below. We'd really appreciate it. Thank you all for sticking to the end of the video. Thanks for the support, and we will see you all next time.